We recently resolved the case for our client, Lewis, who had a challenging and interesting case but ended in a great result. Lewis was walking down the aisle at a convenience store when an employee who was loading items onto a shelf in one of the aisles got down on one knee to load something onto the bottom aisle. As the employee kneeled down, his leg shot out behind him, and Lewis, unsuspecting, tripped right over the employee's leg. Lewis had bad injuries. He had a fracture in his humerus in his leg and had damage to his shoulder that ultimately required surgery and extensive rehab to recover from. In Georgia, someone like Lewis has 2 years to file a lawsuit in order to preserve and protect his claim. For Lewis, his treatment lasted a long time and took him very close to the 2-year statute of limitations. On his case, we weren't able to send a demand before filing a lawsuit. Therefore, we had to file the lawsuit in order to make sure that he wouldn't lose out on his right to recovery. Despite being involved in litigation, we were still able to get Lewis's case resolved very early on in the litigation process without any extended discovery. Lewis's injuries were bad. He had medical bills totaling over $120,000. Despite that, we were able to get him a great recovery of $400,000 to help make him whole for the injuries that he sustained due to the negligence of someone else. Cases can be difficult when they involve cases involving premises liability can be very challenging and difficult and present numerous issues that attorneys need to be aware of. For Lewis, we were able to get a great result, but these cases can be extremely fact-specific, and it's important to talk to a lawyer if you have questions.